So hey, this is me Saurav Raj, and I'm going to teach you front end development full course. Okay, so first of all I will teach you about HTML in very simplest way. Okay, and after that I will teach you CSS, then Bootstrap, then JavaScript. This all courses makes you a very good front end developer. Okay, so let us focus on the very first course, that is HTML. All we know about HTML, it is a hypertext markup language which is responsible for developing websites. Okay, markup language means computer language that uses tags to define elements within a document, right? HTML responsible for structure of web pages. HTML is only the structure of the web pages. As you see, when we make any building, first we make an structure, then we put something extra in that. Okay, then also HTML is a structure of web pages. Elements are basics of HTML. Element are represented as we will be having opening tag followed by content and then closing tag. That is our opening tag, and it is our in this both this between the both there is a content. You can be text, audio, anything else as a structure, and this is an ending tag, right? I hope you are enjoying a video. Okay, example for heading tag, that just like h1 heading, you can put any content in this heading, right? And this is an ending tag, /h1 represent ending tag, okay, of header file. For paragraph tag we have p paragraph, and this is also an ending tag that is represented as /p, right? Some tag consist of only one tag, they don't need separate closing tag. जैसे कि कोई है. For example, the image and line breakdown element example, image source, this is have only a opening, this is only a closing tag, right? And br that represent break. So move on the next page. You can observe these patterns if we have to place the content and we need both opening and closing tag. Okay, example heading tag, as we see in the very previous page. Okay, very first page, if we just have to set tag attribute, in this case src represent source is tag attribute, then we just need closing tag, example image tag, right? If we don't need content and tag attributes, then also closing tag is not required, example break tag, right? So we are going to discuss on the extension. HTML file extension is html.ex. About example this is about.html. Okay, so we will jump on the very important thing, that is I can see you about I can told you about open developer tool. Open any website in browser, right click on it and inspect, right? Shortcut control plus shift plus I, this is the shortcut to inspect any website on the browser. Environment setup, then we can do, you just need any browser to run HTML. It can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, anything extra. Okay, I'm using Chrome. You can also using it very good way. Code editors like Notepad, Notepad++, Visual Studio. Visual Studio is a good source, you can code there, very good source. I am giving you a link below in the description, that is VS Code download link, that is https code visualstudio.com document dv equal to win, right? This is our very first introduction about HTML. We will jump on the next in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and share my video in your friends. Thank you for watching. We will meet soon.